Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make up to $90 an hour just testing website. Have you ever heard of user testing? This is a way to make money online that I think most of you have not come across yet. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 websites through which you can make up to $90 an hour testing websites for different companies. So if you want to know more about this, then you should keep watching this video. Before I get into the video of today, my name is Winnie Shum, and as you can see, I make videos about different ways to make money online. I make videos about different business ideas. If this is something that you're interested in, please why not subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to click the bell icon beside the subscription button so that you can always get notification when I upload new videos. In today's video, I will show you 5 websites through which you can earn up to $90 an hour testing websites. So what happens is that there are companies out there who are looking for perspective on how their website looks and feels to those who go there. So they want to make sure that when you go to their website, you are able to get all the information that you need easily. So they pay companies like User Testing and the rest of the companies I'm going to show you in this video to get people to give their impression, so that if they have to make changes, they can make changes and make sure that their services is being accessed easily. So that's what it is all about. You can test websites through videos. Some of them will ask you to use your camera, some of them will ask you to just talk and give your perspective on the different websites that they will show you. They have different strategies. Each company has its own strategy, so you just need to look out for what they're asking for. So the first website is called User Testing. When you sign up on User Testing, you can make money as a tester. You can see here, become a tester and earn between $3 to $30 per test. So you are earning per test, which means that if you're able to earn $30 per test and you're able to take 3 tests a day, that's $90 an hour. If you do it within an hour, or if you can even do it less than an hour, therefore you are earning $90 in less than an hour. So each test lasts 5 to 16 minutes and is completed with your computer, tablet, or smartphone. So you have to read the following instruction and watch the example video. So this is the example video that you watch, and pay attention to all of their rules and make sure that you're doing it exactly the way it's supposed to be, because these companies are actually being paid to get your perspective. So you have to make sure that you're doing it right. So they have here what equipment you need, and should you use your address, everything, which language should you use. So everything is here. They've answered all your question. You won't have any trouble if you read all of this. It's very easy to start. When you get to this website, you need to just come here and click become a tester. Once you click become a tester, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to fill in all the information that you need in order for you to be approved. So you're going to fill everything. You can see here they select from Africa as well. So if you're in Africa, don't feel like you can be part of this. Even if you're in Cameroon, you can Africa, Douala, you can do it from anywhere you are in the world. So this is a great opportunity for you to make money online. The next website is called Userlytics. This is also a well-known website for testers. So when you come here, you can start by pay to test. You click this website, it's going to bring you to this page. Change the world one test at a time. So you take tests in order to, give your perspective on the way different websites function and different adverts. You give your impression about them, what you think about them, and then those companies will make changes that will benefit their clients. So that's where you come in. So there are 3 easy steps. You sign in, and then once you sign in, you're going to receive an invitation. And once your test has been uploaded successfully and is approved by a team, you will earn between $5 to $90 per test, depending on the test, which you will receive in your PayPal account at the end of the week. So you have to have a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, there is a video I've made about PayPal accounts and other videos I've made about how to withdraw money from your PayPal account if you are in the unsupported countries. So you can check that video out. I'm going to put in the description box below. So when you come here, you can start testing. So if you're finding value in this video, why don't you give this video a thumbs up and encourage me to make more video. The next website is called UserBrain. UserBrain is another website where you can sign in as a tester. So when you click get pay to test, it's going to bring you to this page, make money testing websites from home. So you do it from home. So they have their sign up button here. You put your email, your password, and then you agree to the terms and condition, and you become a tester with UserBrain. So now they have explained how it works here. Sign up and download a UserBrain recorder for Google. So that's how it works for them. If you are using iOS, they have a record they have for iOS as well. So speak your thoughts while going through a set of tasks for about 5 to 20 minutes. Receive new tests and get paid $5 per test via PayPal. So each test for UserBrain is $5. So that is how this one works. So if you want to earn higher, then you have to take more tests, or you try the other websites I'm showing you that pay more. What happens after I apply? You'll be asked to record a qualification test. Don't worry, we'll give you a tour and a guide first to know exactly how everything works. So they're going to give you a tour. So they have an example video here. You can watch it and then you can get started. The next website is called Try My UI. So when you come to the website, you click Get Paid to Test, and it's going to bring you here, and then it gives you the step-by-step process on beginning. So you need to get started with your full name, your PayPal email, very important. You use PayPal. Payments are made via PayPal to this email address. Please be sure it is tied to a PayPal account and it is entered correctly. So you have to make sure that your PayPal email is entered correctly so that you don't miss your payment. So they pay through PayPal. Now you will be paid $10 for each test you take. $10 for each test you take. A typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes. Sign up now and start making the web a more user-friendly place. So $10 a test, that's a good deal to get started and make money online. The next website is called Checklios. Checklios is another website where you can get paid as the tester. So when you come here, you will click Get Paid to Test. It's going to bring you to this page. Getting registered and joining to our Checklios participant network. Answer screening questions to match with test opportunities. Share your perspective and thought aloud via test. Earn €8 to $10 approximately for each feedback session, which lasts 30 minutes. So you're going to earn between 8 to 10 euros for each test, which will last at least 30 minutes, and then between 30 euros to 150 euros for live conversations or advanced settings. So you can earn more when you do live conversations with them. So they have a video here to tell you more about them. You can watch it, and then they have their app as well. You can sign up through their app, and you can get started with Checklios because they actually pay well. 10 euros a test, it's a lot. If you take more tests, then you earn more. So guys, that was what I had for you today. I hope you take advantage of these opportunities I've shown you today. I'm going to put the links to all of these websites in the description box below. Please do check it out, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and why not give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time when I make another video on how to make money online. Thank you, and bye bye.